Dear students, today we shall start the lesson Last Spring written by Anis Jung. Anis Jung was born on 1944 at Rourkela in Odisha. Her father's name was Nawab Hoshiar, and Nawab Hoshiar was one of the aristocratic men of Hyderabad. She belonged to elite class family. Her occupation was writing and journalist, and she wrote so many diaries and books as Unveiling India, one of her diary, Night of the New Moon, Seven Sisters, and Breaking the Silence, Last Spring, from where this lesson is taken, and its first title is Last Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. Let us come to the topic Last Spring now. Last Spring is a lesson, and in this lesson there is a character named Saheb. Actually his name is Saheb, but he is a rag picker. Her parents came from Bangladesh. As in Bangladesh there were storm and they were living in poverty, so her parents came to Delhi in Simapur and settled there. So at Simapuri he started rag picking because he was very poor, her parents were poor, and he wanted some gold. He tried some gold from the garbage. Not only gold, sometimes he found, not only he, like him there were some other children also. They tried to find out gold or any note of 5 or 10 rupees. Let us see the first paragraph. Why do you do this? Narrator Anis Jung asked the question to whom? To Saheb. Why do you do this? Why he was engaged himself in rag picking? Why he was involved in rag picking? This question was asked by the writer Anis Jung. I ask Saheb when I encounter every morning scrounging for gold in the garbage dumps of my neighborhood. So Anis Jung, the writer, asked this question, why do you do this? At which time? When I encounter, when Anis Jung faced the boy Saheb. She asked this question, why do you do this? So what question did she ask? She asked the question, why do you do this? Whenever every morning she met to the rag picker Saheb. Every morning scrounging for gold in the garbage, and he was trying to find out gold from the garbage dumps of my neighborhood, and that garbage dump was located in the surrounding of the narrator, in the neighborhood of narrator, the writer Anis Jung, and at that place the boy Saheb was trying to find out gold from the garbage, from dump of garbage. Saheb left his home long ago. Long time ago, the boy Saheb left his home that was in Bangladesh, set amidst the green fields of Dhaka, and his earlier home was in the mid of Dhaka. Where was his home set? In the mid of Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, already you know. His home is not even a distant memory. Still, he recalls his home that was located in Bangladesh at Dhaka. His home is not even a distant memory. It seems that in a short time ago he left his home. There were many storms that swept away their fields and homes. Many storms came in those days, and his home and fields were washed away because of those storms. His mother tells him all these things. His mother told, so mother of Sahib tells to him. That is why they left. That is the main reason they left that place, Bangladesh, looking for gold in the big city. To find out, in search of gold in the big city, their parents left their native place, Bangladesh, where he now lives. Now they are living in a big city. Which is the big city? Simapuri of New Delhi. I think this paragraph is clear. Now note down questions. Question number first, who is Sahib? Question number second, why did Sahib's parents leave Dhaka? Next question, what do you mean by the word encounter? Thank you.